One of the most common questions that I get is, small business lady, how can I attract more new customers to my small business? So let me just run down for you a couple of my best tips for how to do that. Number one, you want to build relationships with anyone because you don't ever know who you're talking to or whether or not they might be able to refer you some business. I can't tell you how many times I've sat down on an airplane or sat down on the Acela train on Amtrak and met somebody who might not have been able to give me business but could refer me to their brother who could. So build relationships everywhere you go because you never know who you're talking to. The second thing you want to do is make sure that you are really clear about your niche target customer. You want to be able to explain in seconds who you serve and how you serve them so that people can start thinking about how they might be able to help you. So it's very, very clear. If everybody can use your product or service, no one will. So don't do that. The other thing you want to think about is get clear about your marketing approach. Are you going to do it with content, a podcast, a blog? Are you going to do direct mail? Are you going to focus on email nurture campaigns to make your sales? Whatever it is, you just want to get really clear about what it is so you can put your effort into that and really focus. You don't need to do a lot of things. You need to do one thing really well when it comes to how you're going to reach out to your customers. And certainly you want to start with a great website, right? That's key. But after that, there's other stuff you got to do. So you got to figure out what it is you're going to do. And then, you know what? Promos and discounts work. Free trials work. So if you can do that for your business, or if you can offer one great coupon, 30% off, 40% off your first order, that kind of stuff works, and you can build loyalty from that. And speaking of loyalty, how about you create a loyalty program for your customers? You want to reward people who buy from you again. So create a small rewards program. It could be free gifts every so often. It could be discount. It could be early birds on sales, like they get the friends and family sale before it goes public, that kind of stuff. People love that, and it really endears them to your brand. You also want to check out all the review sites. If you see a great review about your business, snip it, leverage it for social media, put it on your website, put it in your marketing brochure, whatever. But you want to make sure that you're highlighting people who have said you're great, because you need all the social proof and credibility that you can generate, especially if you're an unknown brand. Then the number one way to get new customers is to reach out to existing ones and ask for a warm referral. Warm referrals are great because guess what? They close 60% of the time. So you definitely want to get in the habit of talking to your existing customers or past customers and asking them who they know that might be a great target for you. And then think collaboratively. It's not about your one piece of the pie. It's about how can you make the pie bigger with a strategic partner so that everybody can eat. If you do that, you'll always have people looking out for you because you're looking out for them. And last but not least, focus on your existing customers. You want to keep your customers as long as you can. The reason why is because 65% of your existing customers will buy from you again if you ask them. The other thing too is they're going to spend more money. So focus on your existing customers, and that will help you attract new ones as well. All right, I look forward to your feedback.